Come on, or if I start the cartoon, man, Ted for up in him.
Oh no, before we start and get right into the video, subscribe. So you'll see when every time Kelly Toons post a video. Far away, across the Caribbean Sea. On a beautiful island called Jamaica.
Watcha, 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 watcha.
Oh yeah, this is that one I Trevor do. They're going like a fear road. No, it look like a film road and a him and Jamaican no sense. Fully Jamal. No man. How to them people, man.
Lived a kind, sweet and caring woman named Natalie Smith.
Yes guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here at home.
She didn't just start a YouTube channel. She brought her full personality to the screen.
So I'm here, so said I'm going to give a speech back to all you guys that support me and that's still going to support me, guys. I can't even tell how grateful I am for the messages, like the messages saying do not stop, keep on. And guys, at first I did shy out of the world, but all those messages you may read and say, I want to say like keep up, don't stop giving don't stop giving video, and just, you know, guys. Remember the first time that my sister-in-law say, if people don't want to see I do video, they might comment at them and say they want to see I do video. And I say, I don't know if I can do that. Me like when me have to talk to your phone and like me have to talk and I put out here and then me know say like me there and then somebody will say me see up on this and see up on that, and you know, so me say no, so I think me can manage. And she say you can manage, man. At first off everybody did, you know. And I say alright, me I give it a try. And she say alright, me I put your name down and put you out. And I say yes man, do your thing. And guys, she encouraged me, only encouraged me too, and me so grateful of that. I love that. So far it does good, and me happy for everything, like happy for everything now, cause it wanna make me be brave and now feel happy.
Viewers didn't just watch her, they felt her. And when it came to cooking, oh, Natalie didn't play. The way she seasoned her food, with love, vibes, and a little touch of island magic, you could practically smell it through the device.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's a girl Natalie. So I'm going on a boat in the evening, guys. So do steam fish and white rice. This guys. So I'm gonna clean up the fish them as yet. I'm gonna scale them it, guys. So stay tuned. Watch on me. Scale them and go them. So guys, here's my fish, 4 fish, and the mere fisher, then call them grunt, guys. Grunt fish, yeah, them eat good too. So I'm scaling it inside because I can, whenever you scale it in the water, it don't drop the all over, guys. When you hold it down in the water, the scale don't flash up all about. So stay tuned, guys, and watch the progress. Holding it down the water and scale it. See it? Now flash. But if you hold it up now and scale it now, it will flash up and scale up. Wow, fish and release a raw, not release a raw still. Release a raw. See? So it come off good. Finish, you know. No scale. I normally go outside, you know, guys, but I want show, no. You know, you can stay inside as well, but you know, we always mostly go outside because you know this is not a practice. So, you know. And guys, if you scale them freeze, you just let them out tight and you just set them out of the freezer and you put them in some water. Just put in the water and make them thaw out right out. You just start scale easier too. But outside or inside are where you want to scale it. Guys, you have my scale and have a cut off. I'm going to season up now, guys, so stay tuned. So guys, season up everything now. So guys, drop in the butter. And make it on the boil, guys. Carrot has cooked now, so I can put in the grunt now. Yeah, I can put in the fish them now. See progress. That's it, you know. So I'm watching put on the rice. Yeah, you know I hit this. There's up on the fish them gonna come lovely. Boiling. Yeah. Rice are steamed down, you know, guys. Yeah. Soon finish. Yeah, man. So guys, please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe. Yes guys, and stay tuned. Love you all and thanks for supporting me. Thanks and thanks much all the time.
Every stir of the pot, every flip of the pan, it wasn't just cooking. It was a whole experience. From juicy curry chicken to perfectly steamed fish, her kitchen became a place where comfort lived and flavor danced. People watched not just to learn, but to feel like they were home. But Natalie didn't do it alone. She built her own team. With her by their side, her team brought just as much flavor and fun.
What goes up and down, but doesn't move?
Your weight. Wait, the move. Where that come from? Yeah.
What comes once in a minute, twice in a moment, but never in 1,000?
No, what's love? Money. You come in a minute and go in a second. My question, Selita.
What comes
M.
minute, moment?
But never in 1,000. M. Yeah, this is going to plan.
What can you cut, but you can't throw?
Ball.
This goes around the world, but never stay in one corner. What am I?
Man.
It goes around the world, but it never stay in one corner.
Sun.
Sun never in a corner.
Oh, yeah, man, grown and nakakana. Until he says not sun or the moon.
No. A stamp. A stamp not always in the corner of the letter. It's sometimes I make up.
One thing is feel the all time. Back in the days.
What have 4 fingers and a thumb, but it's not alive? 4 fingers, a thumb, and it's not alive. Yes, Tashana?
Gloves.
Yes.
But gloves are fine. Oh, 4 finger on it. Skirt. It's not right injury. Then planning.
From hilarious food challenges to wild games and non-stop laughter, they turned simple moments into viral memories. You make it this far in the video, I'm guessing you're really enjoying it. So consider subscribing for more. You'll put a smile on Kelly Toons' face. But let's get back to the video.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will run another banger challenge. So guys, you know, ask for pepper noodle challenge. So I eat where I go mats out, you know. Saskia, Tasha on the outside. Yeah. See noodle in there. We have 6 pack of what you call ramens noodle. See pot here. Guys, they might try prank me, but it not gonna work. Any one then give me I take one I feed them one. It not work.
So get anyone I want.
Which one did I go give me first?
When I start play like Winchi.
So yes guys, the soup ready and we're gonna go right into it now. Everybody have them plate and we'll go in front. Guys, if you see me not eat off here too, them prank me not eat. Either too salt or something wrong with it guys. No, do not them prank me. You never in there.
Is this in the 80 half? Yeah, take food plate and 80 half.
We are eating till the done, so nobody feels so who not going to eat half. When I eat it till the done.
You know, pull up my belly, you know.
So you have the less? I see always a win. I see my mouth now. I say always a win, guys, because in prank we are saying you have the less.
Get the plate there for Winchi, you know.
Come, take some. No, I say my mouth now. I say my mouth. I just show this a plate and I eat. At that then though, give me more. No water.
Water.
No water to the winner.
Yes,
and when time a winner done, when I feed a phone and a winner alone drink water. Una go suffer it, we suffer them.
Water gone, so I wonder where I get water from.
Whether it was who could eat the most, who could cook the best, or just who could make everyone laugh the hardest, one thing was for sure. With Natalie and her crew, you were guaranteed a good time.
13-year-old Kimani lived in St. Anne's Bay, Jamaica, with his mother, Miss Rena. Life was simple but good. Miss Rena worked hard to make sure Kimani always had what he needed. Every morning, they would start the day with laughter and small conversations over breakfast, even if it was just a single piece of bread or a bowl of porridge. Miss Rena made every moment feel special. She'd always tell Kimani,
"Money isn't everything, my son. Love and hard work will bring you everything you need."
Kimani clung to her words. He admired his mother's strength, even in the hardest of times.
Gosh, Kimani, you're not fear cry. Them not you're nothing. Move the farm and lake one on with that big rock here.
She found ways to make him smile. Miss Rena worked tirelessly to keep food on the table, doing odd jobs around the neighborhood, helping to clean houses, wash clothes, or take care of children. She'd send Kimani to the shop whenever she could spare a few dollars, asking him to buy mackerel, rice, or whatever else she could afford that day.
Go buy 2 pound of rice, 1 tin of mackerel. I'll hurry up.
Kimani would run down the road, his bare feet hitting the dusty ground, feeling like he was on a mission. He loved those errands because they made him feel grown up, responsible. One evening, after a long day of work, Miss Rena seemed unusually tired. Her face was pale, and her movements were slower than usual. Kimani noticed her struggling to catch her breath as she sat down.
Mommy, everything all right? Why you look so
his
sad?
voice full of worry. Miss Rena tried to put on a brave smile.
It's nothing, Kimani. Mommy is just a little tired.
But over the next few days, Miss Rena's health worsened. Her face became thinner, her eyes duller, and she seemed to always be in pain. And Kimani would hear her coughing late at night when she thought he was asleep. He felt powerless, watching her suffer, not knowing how to help. Miss Rena could no longer work, and their savings quickly ran out. Kimani tried to help around the house, cooking what little food they had left, cleaning and taking care of his mother as best as he could. But he was just a boy, and the burden felt overwhelming. He started waking up before dawn to do chores, hoping that a clean house or a warm bowl of rice might lift his mother's spirits. But their situation only grew more desperate. One morning, as he stood looking at the nearly empty cupboard, Kimani felt a pang of fear unlike anything he had felt before. What would they do if his mother couldn't get better? What if she never could? Desperation gripped him. With no family to turn to and no money, he began stealing. He started small. He would slip a mango or a few bananas into his pocket from a local vendor when they weren't looking. He told himself it was harmless, just something to get by, but as his mother's health continued to decline, he found himself growing bolder. He started taking money from people's pockets or lifting small items he thought he could sell. Each time he did it, he felt a gnawing sense of guilt, but he pushed it down. "It's for Mama," he would whisper to himself, clutching the stolen money or food tightly in his hand.
After me nana choice.
But his actions soon attracted attention.
Yeah, man, Rena boy a thief, man, him a thief.
Yeah.
Rena boy a thief. Throw it in and just a thief and thief.
For sure.
Rena boy a thief, man, yeah. They broke him up. Small and thief.
The townsfolk noticed the missing coins and items, and whispers started spreading about a young thief in St. Anne's Bay. One day, as he was reaching into the pocket of an older man, a hand grabbed his wrist. Kimani froze, his heart pounding as he looked up into the stern face of a police officer.
Are you a young thief when they have bought the place, yeah?
The officer demanded, his voice sharp. Tears filled Kimani's eyes.
I'm my mother. She not nothing and she really sick. I mean, have nobody forgive me nothing. She's sick. Mom is sick.
The officer sighed,
That no
shaking his
mean
head.
nothing. Stealing is stealing, and you're a thief. Because your people them not have nothing, therefore can't take people things.
He released Kimani with a warning, but the shame and fear lingered long after. Kimani's heart felt heavier than ever as he walked away. He wanted to cry, to scream, to beg someone to understand. He needed help, but no one seemed to care. The next day at school, he mustered the courage to tell his teacher about his mother's illness, hoping for advice or a little support. He shared everything, his voice trembling as he explained their struggle, the hopelessness he felt. But the teacher only sighed in frustration.
Nigga, why, yo? So everybody not have them trouble too. After your life not started than nobody else. That tell me foolish how many years I'm going and see it.
Dismissing the boy's plea. The words hit Kimani like a slap in the face. His heart felt like he was breaking all over again. Without another word, he turned and walked out of the school, determined not to come back. He didn't belong here, he thought bitterly. He didn't belong anywhere. Later that day, Kimani found himself wandering through the market. He had nowhere else to go, and the familiar streets felt like the only safe place left. As he walked, he noticed a well-dressed woman browsing the stalls with a young boy by her side. She had a fancy purse and was wearing a necklace that sparkled in the sunlight. Her clothes were clean and new, unlike Kimani's worn-out shirt and shorts. Without thinking, he slipped close to her, his hand reaching out. In one quick motion, he lifted her wallet from her purse and began to walk away. But as he turned to leave, he glanced back and noticed the boy with her. The child looked up at his mother with a sad, hungry expression that struck a painful chord in Kimani's heart. The look reminded him of the many times he had looked up at his own mother, hoping she would find enough food for them both. He hesitated, clutching the wallet in his hand, feeling a familiar pang of guilt. Finally, he turned back and walked up to the woman. He said softly, holding out the wallet,
I'm sorry. Here is your wallet.
The woman looked at him, surprised and confused. She took her wallet back, her eyes narrowing as she looked at the boy in front of her.
Why would you take my wallet? What's going on? What happened?
She asked, her tone not angry but filled with concern. Kimani took a shaky breath and told her everything. He poured out his heart, telling her about his mother's illness, his helplessness, and the desperation that had driven him to steal. Tears streamed down his face as he spoke, unable to hold back his pain any longer.
I don't want to do this, but this is what I have to do.
As he finished, he looked down, ashamed and expecting her to scold him. But when he glanced up, he saw that she had tears in her eyes too. She knelt down and placed a gentle hand on his shoulder.
It's okay. You don't have to worry. I know what it's like.
She said softly, her voice trembling.
I grew up poor just like you, and I had to do things that I'm not proud of. But you're still young, and you don't have to go down this path.
She took a deep breath, her gaze softening in front of her.
You see that store over there? Yes, I own it. I will give you a job. You don't have to steal no more to help your mommy.
Kimani stared at her in disbelief. Her kindness, her understanding. It felt like a miracle. He wiped his eyes, trying to find the words, but all he could manage was a choked, "Thank you." That night, as he lay beside his mother, he whispered a prayer to God.
Most High, please forgive me. I will never steal ever again. I didn't mean it.
Kimani began working at the shop, learning how to stock shelves, sweep floors, and greet customers. The woman taught him patiently, treating him with respect and kindness. Each day he earned a little money, enough to buy food and a bit of medicine for his mother. He grew stronger, more determined, finding a sense of pride in his
Mommy
work.
love you so much. Come.
One evening, as he walked home, counting his earnings, he was stopped by a group of older boys. One of them held a small gun, pointing it at Kimani's chest. His face twisted in a sneer.
Hey, thiefing boy. Give me what you have. Yeah, man, I ain't see
Kimani's
one man
heart raced with
thief.
fear as they walked closer towards him.
Two teams must survive, with no tools, no food, no nothing, just hands and feet.
Hands. See hands in there. Hands rolling.
Grab your popcorn and get ready to laugh.
How you feel going into this challenge right now? Nerve, feel?
Sir, I used to them like, but you find local coconut, drop off a tree with your hooks that in my teeth.
Stay tuned, don't miss it.
All for my mind right now, if you just go up there, find food for surviving, guys. That me a pray. And only food that was mine.
Finally here. Get ready. 3 years ago, deep in the wild, untamed hills of Jamaica, a challenge began that would test courage, survival, and the power of teamwork. Now it returns, bigger, crazier, and more unpredictable than ever.
Check in, people. You are going now. All right, I know say today we see we topless. You see me, shirtless. We don't have no shoes. And you are going now. We are do a survival video. We will make it a little bit different from the usual video. So it's like a game basically. So we're gonna have 2 teams, alright? So me, Papi, Murphy supposed to be on that team, yeah? And then Sax, Kanta, and Climber they on that team. You see me? It's supposed to be like red team and black team. And the goal is to find food for the time. We can't carry no lighter, we can't carry no farmer cutting tools, so no knife, no machete, nothing. We can't go up on the farm, but we normally go up on none at all. The farm there is off limits. Yeah, because that go too easy, because we have so much things on the farm, so we can't go up on the farm none at all. Are you ready for the challenge?
We're ready right now.
Yeah. You see me? So Climber, how you feel about, you know, going into this adventure right now, knowing that we not eat nothing and we can't carry no farmer fire, no farmer tools, except your bare hands?
It's going to be a little challenge, you see me? But you have to fight it out, man.
How you feel going into this challenge right now? How you feel? Nervous?
No, sir. I'm used to them life, man. Fruits up there, you see. What you find? Look a coconut, drop off a tree with your hooks that in my teeth.
So, Kanta, tell you what I go and feed here.
Why? Just go up in the hills and go see how we can find and survive. How much in hour depends how long we have to stay up in the bush still, you know. But feel so we have survive, man.
Alright.
You can use stone and peel coconut or jelly if you find it. See, we can use the stone as a cutting tool to cut anything. So I find a very sharp stone.
So yeah, man, so anyways, like, I tell everybody else, just go out there, stay safe, because safety first.
Yeah, man.
So, you know, above everything, make it fun, but be careful, see? What you think right now going into this challenge?
Why? All for my mind right now, if you just go up there, find food for surviving, guys. That me I pray.
Alright, and you feel like say you're going to find food?
Yeah, it's a must.
Alright, yes, people, so we're there with the great Murphy, coming out looking like Jesus. Take your time.
Yeah, man, ripe banana and thing that bush enough.
Ants, mosquito, because you know you have some ants when they bite you, they swell up and them look something about. So anyways, we gear up, we're ready. So we're going to head out. So see you guys out there.
The guys headed out, their feet crunching on the dry leaves beneath them. No tools, no supplies, just their hands and feet to help them survive in the wild. They moved in sync, working together to navigate the terrain. Each step felt like a new challenge, but they were ready. With their teammates by their side, they were confident they'd make it through. A few hours in the wild was nothing they couldn't handle.
All right, people. So, Murphy, I can get something stuck in our foot already. You good? You say Maca already? Yes, people, so we're on the move. The next team we don't know where them up to now.
Man, so not afraid of biting, man. Yeah, man.
Ant!
Ant.
Ant!
Yeah, man, see ants in there.
Ant!
Ants rolling.
Murphy, I want to say that thing about guess what?
Like a young or green.
Young, man.
So we are going to Murphy.
Yeah. You are going to eat it?
Yeah, man, guys, I'm Murphy fine.
So Murphy, how that taste? Eh? Eh?
Guys, we are checking close up.
That can't taste good, Murphy. Jesus God. We take my chance. We go and be a young girl.
Yeah. Murphy, let's say you find the first food. So Murphy, what did you find? Oh, what's up?
See how you eat that?
So that green Murphy. See the first food that I did.
Then make sure you find first food that. You reach now, I'm tired of first. I no food them big store. Man, no good, you know, guys. That's shake. No bring it still. Bring it in case.
Yeah, me for one chocolate in life. First up with a motor man.
I mean time. Yeah, box. I use a stone, peel the coconut As you say, no lighter, no machete or knife.
No machete, no cutting, none something like that. And the knife, I pick him machete, the stone, I peel it fast on the machete.
This one sauce up tree and I see bird eat sauce up.
Bird eat sauce up?
Yeah.
See a sauce up tree?
Yeah, man. Yeah. Sauce up everyone, man.
Bird, the funny we know say. Ripe sauce up?
Yeah, man.
Hold on.
That one look like you ripe too.
Yeah, that one look like you ripe.
Yeah, man.
Climb it, walk climb it.
Jesus Christ.
Did you have?
Yeah.
But most are in your mouth.
We don't have to eat the good part.
But we don't know if I rat, you know me?
Bird.
See how you eat this?
Yeah. And holy food that we find. Otherwise, Sir Murphy. Yeah, man, guys, Sir Murphy fine.
Sir Murphy, how that taste? Eh? I don't eat this, man. I don't know if I rat bite it.
Well.
See how I name this?
Yeah. That's another choice.
Careful, you know?
Right now, doing nothing.
So, people, Murphy name a green sauce up. Probably find a ripe sauce up with something bite him, say a bird. I now take my chances.
See part where you get bite, and a little piece of roundness and you get bite.
Not bad.
First food that idea for me. Can't make it go away. See, I go on for your food now?
Yeah. You ripe, you know?
The one there just look like you ripe too.
But here we go on. Something bite you on my back.
This so can't pop off. How we can't make a red team find food before we?
Right now, I doubt if they find nothing yet.
See the guys make a board climb already.
Tell this one.
That's it, Africa. So bad,
more food again. Take your time. Let's say bad. Man, start up, not to make do. The man, guys, so we find one. We have to share it up, you know, guys, because I share away a par. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
We give thanks to the birds, because I them make you know, say. So what's up?
Previously on.
So, man, what are they finding? Oh, what's up? The man, guys, I'm going to find it.
No machete, no cutting, none something like that.
You reach now, anytime I'm tired of first.
Can't carry no lighter, can't carry no farmer, cutting tools.
Yeah, before I want traffic, no life.
See, I saw that tree.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
We start off to a very good start.
Yeah.
Trust me, the sauce up, it really come in handy and thing. And we could even get more because the birds are having a wonderful time right now with the sauce up. Them feel lucky say we never carry any tools because certainly with a lick down couple of them and roast them, but we're not on a fire.
So we can't eat the raw bird. Yep.
Nice, man. Hey, man, I want to what you eat. I want to. That means, man, white something that you eat, you know?
Man, guys, it's the coconut now. Sweet, man. Sweet. Yeah, man. Yeah, sweet. Sweet like a sugar. Yeah. Very sweet and nice. Sweet but no sweet as coconut never eat. And guys, so see the coconut now. This me use them upside. A stone. Yeah. You know. So we eat one and we bring one. So we are going and chop on the road again. See what you can find on any different fruit and coconut.
One item done already. We gotta get 4 hours to return back.
Yeah man guys, so start walk again.
It's wet.
Yeah.
Take your time.
No joke.
People, right now, we reach where coconut trees and mark you. This is not the farm.
So you find on Murphy? He good?
You good?
Hold on. No good.
Nah, shake. So we nearly find a coconut people, but nah, shake so.
Hey! Murphy, jelly.
You find jelly?
Yeah. One under tree a shot.
You find jelly. Now the thing is, we got to find a place where we can actually get them open. So today is not so bad after all. So see you back when time we reach to somewhere where we can actually, well, actually see a place, yeah. Murphy survival skills up.
Can boss him, Murphy. Murphy.
What do you mean, Murphy? Survival skills up.
Done?
Sweet.
Guys, show no one gone. See this are them things that we have to fear because we don't have no shot. See me? Now mind your own business. Spider. You know right? You know look?
They say bite your tongue, Spider-Man.
Yeah man. You make him bite your tongue, Spider-Man. Oh yo, I'm tired. Show no far we are come from. Ooh, you don't so. Yeah man, but I'm not telling a lie still. Whole heap of coconut tree there.
And two them say survive we don't bring no bag. Because we bring crocus bag, we could have get a bag of coconut.
Long time.
More than bag one. This box everything I think near box.
Praise no was no there.
Yeah, I see him thing. Me I say, who no was no.
Murphy,
you now come. Murphy catching coward, Jesus. If I not tree never there, just jump on and skate a ground.
pea, scratch and sit in a bite. I wonder if red demon go through all of them bushes like it.
And guys, see it here. Reach on a little road. Never know that, so you know it's that bad. Watch out, go on.
Right?
You know right turn. Kimani, pick that. Put that down for right. What we are say?
Turn, guys.
Nice turn. So what's up this? Well done. Man, to mount a pimento tree here. Yeah. You can carry this,
A while ago, I see the big maca tree and grab that one, and lucky things I realized it before I actually put on pressure on it because them here,
pea maca.
Yeah, so then call that here Chinese maca. Hey, watch out for what's in because they say anyway, see bird nest was today. So watch.
Especially in little
squits.
Yeah. But this look like a whole nest.
Whole nest.
Oh, go on there.
Red team.
No joke.
You learn.
I'm here early.
You're right, man.
Beautiful. The guys up here so just clear and nice. Just have a little fight.
The greatest thing, we did find something to eat, so if we don't find nothing else, then at least we find something.
Yeah.
Although I get hungry back here now because it's been a couple hours. We can't use no tool and them thing there.
Watch them in the car then we choke on your foot.
No sir, we have to use what we can manage with the hand.
Tree. See some ripe banana and sacks coming. We are saying
right good man.
We are saying see them around us right. All the lizard I enjoy feeling too. Alright guys, we're going yeah. Now we're showing more updates with the phone cars right now. But about now go for the 2% and more showing them beautiful view there, man. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, people. Wanna see free? Me here, red team.
Over one goalie.
Over there, so somewhere forward. So I just wait on him right so. We basically meet up. You see me red team and black team. Yeah. I want to say, how was the adventure?
Bad man.
Take your time.
No joke.
Right now, people, we are head back down. And the first thing I will do, I will wash off because trust me, right now, a pea scratch. My skin has scratched me. You see me so? Yo, soon back when I reach down there, man. The whole team made it back. You see me? So you have Murphy from the black team, my team. Poppy, black team. Canter, red team. Sacks. And Climber. And based on what going, everybody find food. Anyways, it was a good game. I'm thankful that nobody no get no damage, no great hurt, apart from few cap bite and scrape and them little things there. So big up on yourself again. Good game. Survival. So we say yo, if the world end, we can live. Check in people, here we go on now. Alright, I know say today we see we topless, you see me shirtless, there with the great Murphy coming out looking like Jesus. Take your time.
Fighting around the clock, making a silver, acting a nice cop in my loving neighborhood.
People cook with pots and pans, but Auntie Pauline, she cooks with heart, real heart. The kind you can feel through a screen, the kind that warms up a whole room just by watching her stir a pot or tell a story. From the very first time we clicked on one of her videos, we knew we were in for something special, something we didn't even know we were missing.
This is 5 pounds of goat meat, ram goat meat.
Where you get the goat meat from?
From the goat. They butcher it for me.
Okay.
Right? So this is it. So I cut them up in portions. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to wash it. And I'm going to just rub a little seasoning on it and wait until I'm finished. Eat the oxtail and then I put on the goat and let you know see how I do it. Fair enough? Good. You know, say I the ear upon the goat, you know. I mean, I like see it. But the man who butcher the goat, him not skin him properly because I see 2 pieces of hair upon it. But little hair not kill you. As long as I know you're here. This is some chicken seasoning. Just a little. I'm making some dal. Dal is an Indian dish. It's made with split peas and they're seasoned, but I will take you along the journey. Now, this is the split peas I'm boiling. You just put the peas in cold water and just leave it there and let it boil. A lot of people do their dal different. I do it my way and it's delicious. And it's some like old Indian from Veer teach me how to make my dal. Thank you for watching my first video. Please like, share and subscribe to this video of my dal and curry goat, right? I will catch you on my next video. Bye, I'm out.
Aunt Pauline doesn't just cook food, she feeds souls. She brings peace to kitchens far beyond her own. She shows us that comfort can come in the form of oxtails, fried chicken, warm biscuits, and tender care. And somehow, we swear, we can taste the love through the TV screen. But what keeps us coming back isn't just the food, though let's be clear, the food is always on point. What keeps us watching, smiling, and sharing her videos is her. It's the way she moves through the kitchen, like it's a sanctuary. The way she talks to us, like we've known her our whole lives. The way she laughs, it wraps around you like a warm blanket fresh out the dryer. She has this gift, this rare, special gift of making everyone feel like family. You could be watching from the other side of the world, but when Auntie Pauline says,
Welcome back, my subscribers. Today I'm going to be doing some escovitch fish for one of my subscriber who is going all the way to North Carolina and asked me to make it for him. So I'm going to be doing the escovitch fish and some festival and fried dumplings, right? So I went ahead and put some black pepper and a little chicken powder on this. A little black pepper, chicken powder, a little salt. So I'm going to go ahead and fry these fish. I don't know the name of this fish, the sliced fish and the red snapper, because my friend took it over for me to do it. I am cutting up some pepper to do the escovitch. And I'm removing some of the seeds because I don't know if these folks can eat a lot of spice. So I'm just removing some of the seed from it.
and the love doesn't stop with her cooking. No, not at all. It pours out in everything she does. You see it in the way she treats her family, the way she looks at Pops like he's still her forever sweetheart, even after all these years.
Welcome, family and friends. As today my wife not feeling good, so I'm fixing up something for dinner tonight. Today I'm making steamed callaloo and corned beef, and yam, banana, and dumpling. Let us show you the ingredients that I'm going to use. Right now I have onion, garlic, scallion, pepper and tomato. And then I have banana and yam, yellow yam and white yam. Here I put in the onion first. Stir it and let it get a little before I put in the rest. keep stirring it, that's everything just come together for us. Well, finish cook now, so I'm going to dish out a little food for my wife, because she's not feeling good as at the repeat since evening already. So, well, I'm going upstairs with a glass of orange juice on our dinner, but she's not feeling so good. Here, honey, I bring a dinner for you.
Thank you. Thank you. Sorry, my friends and family. I'm out of commission. I don't know what happened, but since yesterday, I just started to feel so sick. And I am actually losing my voice. So I don't want to be doing too much talking. I'm hoping to feel better so I can come back out again and be with you. Much love and blessings. Thank you.
That's the kind of love stories are written about. And you, Marlon, you've shown more strength in those quiet moments, those vulnerable, tearful, powerful moments than some people show in a lifetime. We see you. We admire you. We thank you for being the kind of son every mother dreams of.
Today is May 14, 2025. Tomorrow is mom's surgery, you all know. And I think we're feeling the effect today, guys, more than ever. She's not feeling too well today, so she's in bed. She can only eat certain things. So I'm just going to get some soup for her and get a lot of liquid into her body today and some some food stuff into her system for today. It's been tough. It's been tough from morning. It's very hard. My heart is beating like non-stop today. Pops also. Mom is feeling it today. I guess that's what happens. It's just very hard right now.
Aunt Pauline is so lucky to have you. And we know, she feels that love every time you show up.
Fighting around the block, taking a slow walk. Acting a nice talk in my loving neighborhood.
Okay, good morning, guys. So Pops and I had to come back downstairs, and my sister, Peter Gay's upstairs with her. Most likely she already went into surgery, and we're just waiting downstairs. The surgery is about, 5 hours, they said?
5 hours.
Surgery is 5 hours, and we're just going to be waiting here at the hospital for her. In a few minutes, Pops and I will go and have some breakfast in the cafeteria. And so we're just waiting. We cannot go upstairs. They only want one person upstairs. And since my sister, Peter Gay, is a nurse, we think it was best for her to go up and just watch over Mom. All right, guys, we're just taking it easy, just taking it calm and so like that. How you feeling, Pops?
Feeling good.
Okay, so we're just watching. All right, guys. See you in a few. Thank you very much. Pops, what happened? Pops, why are you crying for? Everything is fine. Pops, you see what I'm telling you?
And this was the moment when everything got real.
So it's Pops, it's okay. It's okay. Peter Gay is up there.
A heart full of fear. The love he got for Auntie Pauline is more than real. Moments like these are truly priceless, even though he was sad inside. Marlon didn't just step in, he stood tall. The kind of love he showed, that's the mark of a real-life superhero. A son with a heart full of strength and a soul deeply connected to his mother.
Guys, I just turned around. I didn't realize I just turned around.
Pops is very sensitive, but Pops, everything is fine. Pops is okay. Peter will soon come. You see, it's now the effect is starting with Pops. We gotta watch her. Welcome again. This is Marlon Chung, JH Honorable on YouTube. Mom is in so much pain, and I can't get to hug her and kiss her and tell her it's okay, and I'm here with her. I do not know if you all ever had that feeling before with a loved one. I'm down with the flu and getting better, and I just want to be able to hug my mom and just touch her and kiss her and just tell her it's going to be okay. I'm here, and I can't do it. It's not a good feelings, guys. It was driving me crazy. But here it is, my mom, in so much pain that she has to be taking these pills and trying to sleep as much that she doesn't feel the pain. Just look at Mom. Mom, I love you very much. I wish if I could take that pain away from you. Sunday was a really, really bad day. The worst day so far I've seen. We just don't want to see that day come back again. Monday was a little bit better day than it was on Sunday. And I hopefully tomorrow would be a much better day. Well, I should say later on, because it's very late here now. It's after midnight. Hey, Pops, how's Mom feeling today?
Well, she make a change. She make some change today.
Yeah.
Yesterday wasn't too good, but she resting there now.
Yeah.
She make a big change today.
That's good.
Today.
That's good. But she's been sleeping most of the day, but she's still in pain, guys. But because she's sleeping, we said it's a big change because at least she got to sleep. She slept most of the day today, really. Right? She still has the pain. And guys, she made a little bowel movement, which was good.
That's good.
Right? And she did a little walking, Pops?
Yes. She walk ups and down, upstairs, in the rooms there. In and out, in and out.
Okay. Yeah. Guys, I cannot get to go in there and hug Mom or anything because I was down with the flu and I'm just getting better. Mom has always been like a superwoman for us.
Ram goat meat.
Where you get the goat meat from?
From the goat.
She worked 2-3 jobs to provide for us kids, to give us whatever we wanted. She taught us kids to be kind and loving to each other. Mom showed us something totally different, guys. We all love our mom very much. Mom has been a mom, more than a mom, has been like a mom and a father for us. She's always had us, our back. When we hurt, she hurts. Vice versa, when she hurts, we hurt. Mom, we love you very much, right? And thank you very much for being such a wonderful mom. A lady who will give her heart and her life away for her kids. That's my mom. Mom, you're like Superwoman, strong, who always kept the family together. Beautiful. We just love you so much. Thank you very much again for being Mom.
You're not just filming history, you're living it. You're part of a legacy that's rooted in love, strength, and unwavering faith. So take your time, breathe when you need to, cry when you need to, and know that thousands of us are standing behind you, holding you up just like you've held your mama up all this time. You are covered in prayer, you are lifted in light, and you are surrounded by love. We believe in Aunt Pauline's healing, and we believe in your strength too.
All right, just to let you know, that YouTube has a big part of giving me back my mom. Because a lot of people do not know that last year, Auntie Pauline, which is Mom, had a heart attack in Florida. And after that, I was very worried about her. And that's where my cousin came along, Wendy and the twins, who came and recorded Mom cooking the curry goat. That was the very first video of Auntie Pauline Yard to Abroad.
And then I put on the goat and let you know, see how I do it. Fair enough? Good.
It means a whole lot to me because it gave back my mom with all of you wonderful subscribers, YouTubers, friends. You know, I think all of this gave me back my mom, and I thank you all very much for that. Right? I want her to keep going. She enjoys doing it. Let her go for it, and, you know.
And oh, how could we not mention colors? Auntie Pauline treats him like her own. Every time he stops by, we see it. The way she welcomes him with open arms and open heart. That's real love. The kind that doesn't need blood to be family.
So guys, tonight is the eve of here. So tomorrow me and Marlon, we'll be going to Florida, you know. I know Auntie Pauline, trust me, she nobody start crying still, Auntie Pauline. But, you know, I just want to tell her, say, I'm really, really grateful for everything. You know, from day one, all of the love, you know, for welcoming me into your house and just treating me like your own son. You know, thank you so much. Thanks for the gift on behalf of, you know, Sham, JC and Miss Liquor, Renee, everybody who you shop for today, you and Pops, thank you so much. You know, wish the time was longer, we could have spent, you know, more time, but there's always a next time.
If Comfort said, and tell everybody about him, and Comfort spent 2 weeks with me. And me never get 1 day out of him. Not even 1 day me no get with him. Not even half day.
So
right?
busy, though.
But you have to get some rest. It's not healthy. It's not good for you.
Yeah, man, we know, man. I get rest, man.
Oh, Jesus have mercy. And he just come in and him a go back up again. We not see him until before the end of the morning. And then when I've gone in at before the morning again too. That no call for. All the time fly after fast.
He fly fast for true. And Pops, big up Pops, big up Pops. You know? Yeah, man. Trust me, you know? You always come down, breakfast ready. Yeah, man, Pops, man, you know? Auntie Pauline. Come give me a hug, Auntie Pauline.
Take care of yourself.
Yeah, man, and thank you so much again, man.
Take care of yourself. God go with you.
Thank you. Nobody start crying, Auntie Pauline.
You're so loved.
So when we heard Auntie Pauline had surgery, our hearts paused because someone so full of light should never have to feel dimmed. And though we know recovery takes time and healing can be slow, we also know this: Aunt Pauline is strong. And right now, we just want to wrap her up in the same love she's given all of us, because that love is endless. And just when it felt like the storm would never pass, God showed up. So many prayers went up for Auntie Pauline. Family, friends, even strangers lifting her name in faith. Then one day the news came.
So the good news is they took it out today, guys. It's looking good. She had no pain, literally no pain.
All my friends and my subscribers, walking out to the doctor's office, and the doctor just took the tube out of me. What a relief. Right, I feel so much better. I don't have this bag carrying around with me anymore.
That goes to show, hard times are not forever. The tube was
Love
removed.
you all very much. Thanks for all the wonderful prayers.
Healing had begun smoothly. Auntie Pauline didn't just recover, she rose, stronger, brighter, and more joyful than ever. And guess what? She made the most unexpected comeback, right back into the kitchen, doing what she loves, like nothing ever happened. That smile, that spirit. Auntie Pauline is a living testimony. Grace in motion. Dear Auntie Pauline, you are a true inspiration. Your strength, your smile, and your spirit have touched so many hearts. Through it all, you never gave up. And now, seeing you happy and back on your feet feels like sunshine after a long rain. We thank God for your healing, and we celebrate the beautiful soul that you are. Your journey reminds us that faith, love, and a little bit of courage can move mountains. Keep shining, keep cooking, and keep being the blessing you've always been. We love you dearly.
You know, I just want to tell you, say, I'm really, really grateful for everything.
Before you go, let's share some love. Supporting small creators can make a big difference. And today, I want to shine a light on a few amazing YouTube channels that deserve way more eyes on them. Chris Ann's Bible Story. If you love faith-based content and storytelling with a creative twist, this channel brings AI-generated Bible stories to life in a fun and unique way. It's currently at 213 subscribers, but we're speaking it into being. Let's push it to 300 and beyond. CJ's Corner, a sweet and colorful world for kids. This channel is packed with fun learning activities, coloring time, and kid-friendly joy. It's sitting at 14 subs, and with your help, we can bust it to a nice clean 100 real quick. Pom Pom Parade. If you're into cute and creative crafts, this is the place. From adorable art to simple DIYs, she's at 24 subs, and I feel like we can help her craft her way to 100 plus. Let's show her what community looks like. And bestie, don't forget to stay connected with me personally on The Kelly Effect. That's where you'll find the real me, behind the scenes, my daily life, seeing me try new things, more skits, vibes, and all the little things I don't always share on my AI-generated channel. It's raw, fun, and full of heart. Find out who is really Kelly Toons. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button, drop a like, and leave a comment on these amazing channels. Let them know you came with love.